We revise a little bit algebra and more trig and probability. Question 3. We learned completing square a long time ago. We just need to do some revision. Okay. Yeah, check it. You remember completing square. Completing square very important in algebra. So the whole idea like this: ax squared plus bx plus c. Or sometimes we write minus. This is called the completing square form. Or sometimes it's called the vertex form. Because from here, this parabola, vertex, HK, coordinates. Okay, so that's it. EIB is pretty interesting in EIB. Why? EIB, they gave you the formula for H. In IB, they told you this H equals negative B over 2A. That's in IB. They gave you this formula. Negative B over 2A.
Wait, the 2A is like the front of the square is number, so you can't put the square root of it.
Oh yeah, like here, for example, we just take example, why IB formula working, why IB formula working. In IB, they give you H and K, give you H first. Okay, let's check IB method. H is given for number A, 2x squared plus 4x minus 8. Oh. Yeah, how we calculate H? EK. Oh, which is minus 1. Okay. We got H, okay? How we have K? How we got K? We need to substitute H into X. 2 negative 1 squared, 4 negative 1 minus 8. That's called the substitution, which is negative 10. Okay, so we got AHK. Therefore, the answer AX minus H squared plus K just same as A, we got A. H just -1. K. Okay. Of course, when we first learned this part, we just tried the other way on. Like which way we did, we just take out 2. And in the bracket, it changed to x plus 1 square minus 1 square. Check on. This is the original way we did. What was for question A? Because the IB is a bit different. They gave you was H here on. Okay? Negative B over 2A. Do we need the pre-Q homework? And do we need the pre-Q homework? No. I can print out.
You mean
Print out like my pre-Q.
this? Is it this?
Oh yeah.
My back folder.
Okay. Yes. Oh, just message me so I can send you the answer. You need to do it after school. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is how we do this complete square. Let's check one more. For example, question H. Normally, when we do it, we take out -3. That's the first step. We take out -3. The bracket plus 9. Expanded. Final answer. That's H. Yeah, we always half it. Like -2x, we just -1. Yeah. Number got half. Number got half. So that's our old way. Let's check the new way. For H on. The new way. For this question, A equals -3, B equals 6, C equals 9. H just equals -B over 2A. -6 over 2A, -6. Oh, just 1. That's the first step. Just 1. H is the x value. We need to calculate the k. K is the y value. If you got the x value, work out the y value, always substitution. 9. Substitute 1 into x on 12. So this form just equals A just -3, H just 1, K just 12. This is called the complete square. Very important in algebra. Other questions, homework. Other questions, homework. Of course, you can use any method. If you can work out the method, doesn't matter. H is the x value, K is the y value of the vertex.
Do we just solve it or do we like put it in the form?
Oh, if you try to solve it, that will be other type of question. For example, they ask you use completing square to solve equation.
Oh.
To solve equation, for example, we can change the question a little bit.
Some of these don't really solve.
If the question make here equals 0, that means make here equals 0. If the question changed make it 0, that means you solve quadratic equation. We can do factorizing, we can do completing square like this, we can do formula. If you do completing square, check here 2x plus 1 square equals 10. X plus 1 square equals 5. X plus 1 equals, Alistair? Very good. Plus minus root 5. So x just equals plus minus root 5 minus 1.
Some of these,
yeah, that's called the solve equation.
The number on the side of the equation is negative number, so I can't really do it. I add the other squares. So I can't square root it.
Yeah. Sometimes there's no real roots. That will be quadratics we learn. Sometimes after you rearrange x squared, just something squared is negative number. In that case, there's no real roots. No real roots is about the knowledge we learned in term 1. Quadratics, no real roots. This is a quadratic equation. Camellia, this quadratic equation. No real roots. 2 distinct real roots. Okay, 2 equal roots. 2 equal roots. Sometimes we say 1 root on 1 real root. Amelia, the question. Do you know the condition? That's term 1 Condition. Oh, something smaller than 0, but it's not a. It's a b squared minus 4ac less than 0. B squared minus 4ac less than 0. Martin, 2 distinct real roots. Yes, b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. Candice, how about 2 equal real roots? Yes, equal 0. Aubrey, what's the name for b squared minus 4ac?
Discriminant.
Yes, it's called delta. Discriminant. Discriminant. This knowledge like we did a long time ago. We did a long time ago. Okay. For example, for this question, for this one, we need to change the question. The question, we need to make it the whole thing 0. Let's change to equation. Otherwise, it's not an equation. And the whole thing equals 0. How many real roots? We just check b squared minus 4ac. Camellia, what's a b? Yeah. What's the a? Good. C just 15. Oh, value. EQ, what's the value here? $100 minus 200, less than 0. So we can say no real roots. You cannot solve it. You cannot find the value of x in standard level. In higher level, we can do it. Yeah, this picture just for completing square revision. Next one, revising trade.